The 2007 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, CD changer, power lift gate, DVD system, OnStar, running boards, XM satellite radio, power steering, cruise control, anti-theft security system, fog lamps, passenger airbag, compass, MP3 player, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer, center console, tachometer, leather seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.